We counted every cat on our Greek and Turkish cruise. Some ports will shock you. We sailed from Athens to Kusadasi, Mykonos, Rhodes, Santorini, Crete, and Istanbul. Which stop do you think had the most cats? Starting with our last stop on the cruise, Crete. We managed to photograph 4 cats. These street cats were super friendly. For this, we're giving Crete a 7 out of 10. Continuing backwards, breathtaking Santorini. Santorini is gorgeous, but a total cat disappointment. Where were all the cliff cats we expected? Maybe too many tourists or too hot, but we didn't manage to get any cat photos. We did get a lot of donkey videos. That's why Santorini gets a brutal 0 out of 10. Next up, Rhodes. Walking around Rhodes' medieval walls felt like a blast from the past. We saw a total of 6 cats here. These ancient streets are perfect cat highways. Giving Rhodes a solid 8.5 out of 10. Onto glamorous Mykonos. Whitewashed alleys are home to relaxed and photogenic kitties basking in the sun. We saw 4 Instagram-ready cats in Mykonos. These divas know they're beautiful. 8 out of 10. Now for our first Turkish ranking. These 2 cats were chilling at Kusadasi port. And these cats are lounging near 2,000-year-old Roman toilets in Ephesus. Talk about historical cats. We're starting strong with 8 cats total in our first Turkish ranking. Ephesus gets a 9 out of 10. Now for Istanbul, the legendary cat city. Istanbul has some of the most laid-back street cats we've ever encountered. Wow, we didn't realize we had seen so many cats in Istanbul until making this video. Istanbul does have an unfair advantage. We were here overnight. Istanbul gets a perfect score of 10 out of 10. Finally, where we started and ended, Athens. We only captured 4 cats in Athens despite having spent over 2 days there. It was 40 degrees Celsius, way too hot for cats to be wandering around. Athens gets a 7 out of 10. We expected more from the birthplace of democracy. Here are the final rankings. Santorini, 0 cats. Crete, Athens, and Mykonos, tied at 4 cats each. Rhodes, 6 medieval cats. Ephesus, 8 ancient Roman cats. Istanbul, 42 cats. The undisputed champion. Greece total, 18 cats. Turkey total, 50 cats. Turkey wins. Grand total, 68 cats on our cruise. Thanks for joining our Greece and Turkey cat tour. Did your guests match our results? What country's cats should we visit next? Subscribe and drop your dream cat destination below.